Hello dear students, welcome back. In this video we are going to discuss about exact differential equation. So let us see when we can say that the differential equation is exact. So here whenever you have given that the differential equation, whatever it is mentioned over here, mxy dx plus n of xy dy is equal 0. And this differential equation is said to be exact differential equation if we can find, that means there exists a u of xy such that m of xy dx is plus n of xy dy is equal du. So in that case, then and then only we can say that the given differential equation is exact. So let us see, can we say that this differential equation is exact? So y square dx plus 2 times xy dy is equal 0. So this is the given differential equation, and I want to show that this differential equation is exact. But how? So according to our definition, if there exists, that means if we can find the functions u of xy, and if it is going to be happen this one, then and then only we can say that the given differential equation is exact. So here take u is equal xy square, but we know that du is nothing but total derivative. So this is what exactly? Total derivative. But according to our formula, du can be expressed as del u by del x into dx plus del u by del y into dy. But here u is nothing but xy square, so from this we can find that the del u by del x, so it will be what? Y square, and del u by del y will be what? That is, it is clear that 2xy. So whenever I replace over here, so what I'm just going to get, y square into dx plus 2 times xy dy is equal, that is du. But this is what exactly our given differential equation. So according to the definition of the exact differential equation, we can find the function u of xy such that it is going to be what? Exactly this one. So therefore what we can say, the given equation number 1 is nothing but exact differential equation. But whenever we see that this kind of the differential equation, but it is quite difficult to establish the function u of xy so that the given differential equation is exact. So here we are trying to find out that the necessary condition, that we have already observed that du can be written as m of xy dx plus n of xy dy, then the given differential equation will be exact. But here total derivative can be expressed like this, and whenever I compare on the both the side, so I will get m of xy is equal, that is the del u by del x, and n of xy is equal, that is the del u by del y. But from this we can derive the one condition. But how? So for that what I have to do, I have to here differentiating with respect to y, and in that case I will get, again I have to differentiating with respect to x, then I will get this condition. So let us see, when I do the partial derivative, so del m by del y will be del square u divided by del y del x, and the same del n by del x will be del square u divided by del x del y, and from this we have observed that del m by del y is same as del n by del x, and this condition is known as the necessary condition. So whenever we have that the differential equation is of the form mx dx plus n dy is equal 0, so we will observe from this condition that the given differential equation is exact or not. So let us see its solution. If it is exact, then what will be the solution? So its solution is defined by integration m of xy dx over y is constant plus integration n of y over x is free, dy is equal to 0. Sometimes it may happen that to do integration with respect to x quite difficult. So instead of that, you can write integration mx over y free dx plus integration n of xy over x constant dy is equal to c. That means we are writing this way. That means this terms is going to be here y is a constant, so we are taking the x constant, and here m is replaced by n of xy dy, and here n of y, that can be written as what? M of x dx over y free, and that is equal to c. That will be the general solution. So let us see the next example, so then it will be very clear. So how to solve this differential equation y square minus x square dx plus 2 times xy dy is equal 0. So first what we are trying to compare with the given differential equation. So m dx plus n dy is equal 0. So from this what we are getting that m is equal y square minus x square and n is equal, that is the 2 times xy. But when I find the del m by del y, so what I am just getting that 2y, and del n by del x, so that will be what? That is the 2y. So from this what we can observe that both are the same. That means del m by del y is same as del n by del x. What does it mean by this? Means that given differential equation is what? Exactly exact. So therefore its general solution, so its general solution is defined by, just I am writing that its formula, m of xy dx over y is nothing but constant, and here this is the n of y, integration n of y. That means whatever we have the function, that is n of y, but we are trying to find out the function which is free from x, and then we will do the integration with respect to y. So in that case, if I talk about the particular question, so n of y over x free that we want, so in that case what we are going to consider? Only answer 0. So let us see. So here integration over m is y is constant and m is nothing but y square minus x square dx, and here n of y is nothing but 0 over x is free, dy is equal to 6. But whenever you do the integration with respect to x keeping y constant, so y square into x minus x cube divided by 3 is equal to c, and where c is nothing but arbitrary constant, and this is known as what? That is required general solution. Let us move on to the new question. So let me clear with you, this is our m. So this is x raised to cube plus 3x y square. This is the n, 3x square y plus y raised to cube. I am trying to find out that the del m by del y. So it will be 6xy, and del n by del x. So it will be 6xy. So from this what we can say that the given differential equation is exact. So what about its solution? So therefore general solution is given by integration m of xy dx over y constant, and here this is the over x free, but function is nothing but n of y, so equal to c. So let us see here m of xy, that is the x raised to cube plus 3 times x y square and then dx over the y is constant, and here n of y. So it is clear that first term will not occur because this function involves x, but what we will consider only y raised to cube over x is free, dy is equal to c. So let us do integration with respect to x keeping y constant. So what you are going to get? X raised to 4 divided by 4, and this is 3 times x square divided by 2, and y square is there because of constant quantity, and here integration of y raised to cube will be y raised to 4 divided by 4 is equal to c, and this is known as what? Exactly general solution. Also you can simplify taking LCM, that will be the final answer. Let us move on to the new question. Dy by dx plus y cos x plus sin y plus y divided by sin x plus x times cos y plus x is equal to 0. Then how to solve this kind of question? So in that case, first what we will convert, this equation can be converted like this form: m xy dx plus n of xy dy is equal to 0. And after that what we will check that the given differential equation is exact or not. So let us start with first. Here I am just taking the cross product with this, and also I will take the cross product with this. So I am taking the first dx multiply with this, so what it will be? So here y times cos x plus sin y plus y dx and plus sin x plus x cos y plus x dy is equal to 0. So whenever we compare with this differential equation, so it is clear that m is nothing but y into cos x, y into cos x, and here this is the sin y plus y, and n is nothing but sin x plus x cos y plus x. So let us check that the given differential equation is exact or not. So for that we have to find the del m by del y. So here it is cos x and this will be cos y plus 1. What about here del n by del x? So derivative of the sin, that is the cos x, and here it is clear that the cos y, and last that will be 1. And from this what we can say that the given differential equation is exact. If it is exact, so its general solution is given by integration m of xy dx over y constant plus integration ny over x free dy is equal to 6. So let us write the first function m of xy. So it is given that y cos x plus sin y plus y dx. So this is our m, and over y is nothing but constant, plus over x is free. So in that case n of y will be what? So here you can observe that all the terms contains the function x, variable x. So therefore what we are going to consider, n of y is equal 0. So let us do the integration with respect to x over here. So what we are trying to find out that y into sin x. Here sin y will be constant, so integration will be x, as well as y is there because of the constant quantity, and integration will be x and equal to c, and this is what exactly final answer that you can see. So let us move on to the another question. This is a very important question. This problem is known as initial value problem because of this problem is specified at the one point, that is x is equal 1, and therefore this problem is known as the initial value problem. So here m is there and n will be what? That is the minus x times e raised to 1. Let us find the del m by del y and del n by del x, that you can verify that they both are the same, therefore given differential equation is exact. So therefore general solution is given by integration m of xy over y constant dx plus integration n of y over x free dy is equal to 6. So let us see m of xy. So here this is the m of xy and n of y is nothing but this one. So after integrating, but the question is that how to do this integration. So here what we are considering here, integration x plus 1 e raised to x dx. I am trying first this function. So this is the u and this is v. So just apply the Leibniz rule for this integration. So u is there and integration of the e raised to x, that is the same, minus derivative of the x plus 1, that is the 1, and integration of the e raised to x, that is e raised to x. So integration of this one is whatever it is written over here, and then minus e raised to y and integration with respect to x keeping y constant. So this will be what? E raised to y constant. So integration will be only x and equal to c. But from this, whenever you simplify, so you can observe that 1 into e raised to x will be cancelled out. So only you have x times e raised to x minus x times e raised to y is equal c, and with its general solution. But the given question is nothing but initial value problem. So this is our solution, this is the general solution. But having this condition, what we are trying to find out is the constant c. And if we replace constant c by the new and fixed number, and that solution will be what? Exactly particular solution. So let us see according to this condition, what does it mean by this condition? When x is equal 1, then the value of y is nothing but 0. So therefore just put here x is equal 1. So e minus y is nothing but 0 and x is nothing but 1. So e minus 1 is nothing but c. So when I replace over c here, so what I will get? X times e raised to x minus e raised to y is equal e minus 1, and this is known as what? Exactly particular solution. So in this video we have discussed about the exact differential equation. Thank you.